Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with AAVE number 1, followed by Near, Mental, Trump, Aptos, ICP, EDC, Tau, VET, and then we'll end it with OKB at number 40. Let's get straight into it. AAVE against BDC. AAVE is out of the skinny incline. We were saying that this could be something like an inverse head and shoulders. Yes, we broke out, retested, we came all the way down. We hit the skinny incline. Are we going to reconsolidate and continue higher? Looks like that could be happening. Right? We've cleared all these clusters of buys. So this is a new higher high. Right. You've been seeing the trend being a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. And then suddenly you see a higher high. Is this a new uptrend? Potentially. Of course, things could always come back down under the skinny pink line. But the higher high is great. We've been waiting for that for a long time. So a higher high has already appeared for AAVE. Although there's a strong sell, but it's still a higher high. In terms of chart patterns, not exactly there, but we're above the skinny pink line. So we're going to assume that the trend remains bullish for AAVE against BDC. Against USD, AAVE is also looking good, still above the skinny pink line. We are almost at the very top here at 669. We're at 266. So if we could consolidate a little bit here, we go a little bit higher. Right, of course, I still think that there's a possibility that AAVE could still drop back down for a proper wave C. A, B, C. And then we have a proper squeeze. And then we break out. So that's my take for AAVE. We still need to see clearer chart patterns first before doing anything. Near against BDC. Near is down against BDC. A new lower low. Not something we want to see. Right. So let's just take this as an example. As we were looking on AAVE, right? This was the lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Suddenly, it comes back into life. Pum! Higher high. What happens? Pum! Another higher high. And then the uptrend resumes until we get a lower high. So like, it's downtrend again. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Yeah, it just keeps going lower and lower. So once you see higher highs, you'll be like, is this a new trend change? So I saw AAVE looks pretty good. Near against USD is not looking good. We were anticipating the possibility of the inverse head and shoulders, but it didn't come. So now near is heading lower. We're under the skinny pink line, so yeah, it's not looking good. If anything, we're still expecting these lows to be taken out. Mental MNT against BTC. Let's look at it on Bybit. Ending for mental, we're still under the skinny pink line. Mental against USD is potentially in a consolidation. So a wave C is welcome. If we could get a wave C, would be fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. But yeah, again, we'll have to wait and see how it goes, right? If we were to get a wave C, right, where could we drop down to? Again, just pull the Fibonacci retracement up. You expect it to drop to around this noisy area here for mental. Right, close to 0.618. So that's our take for mental, right? Now it's not a time to be rushing into anything for mental. Trump is down. It's still down. Have we started reversing it? No signs of a proper bullish reversal yet. So yeah, it's too early. Still too early to tell. Aptos against BTC. Here we are for Aptos. Aptos is down. Is it a new all-time high? Yes, so it is. We're still under the skinny pink line. Aptos is not looking good. Any signs of a reversal? Yeah, this, to be honest, could be the reversal. There's a hammer coming on. So Aptos could be breaking higher, right? If you could just take out these highs, it could be higher highs. Hey, that's great. Higher highs. New trend change? Not too sure, right? So yeah, we'll be hoping for that higher high though to come. So yeah, there you go. That's Aptos BTC for you. Still under the skinny pink line. So yeah, you gotta compare it to the skinny pink line. Aptos against USD is also still under the skinny pink line. Any signs of life yet? No. Could we be dropping lower? Yeah, it's possible. But Aptos has been in this range for some time, right? This top range and this lower range. So my guess is we'll just zip back up. But yeah, it's Aptos is just neither here nor there. ICP against BTC. Here we are for ICP. ICP keeps forming new lows, new all-time lows. Not good, bros. Not good. Against USD, yeah, it's breaking lower, right? You see, lower lows, lower highs. It's a new downtrend, right? But again, if you were to pull out the FIP retracement, right, feels to me that we're potentially heading to 702. But we're under the skinny pink line, so things are bearish for ICP. Even if a rally came on, I suspect that it could still drop a little bit more, but it just doesn't really look that good to me. Not at this point of time, right? This could be to be honest, right? This could be a very huge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But yeah, again, we still don't see it yet, so there you go. Ethereum Classic against BTC. Ethereum Classic is new all-time lows. Is it? No. Okay, almost new all-time lows. Almost there. If we were to take out these lows, then it's new all-time lows. So we could be heading much lower once we clear these lows for EDC against BTC, EDC against USD. Yeah, we're expecting $90. Here we are. We are at 21. If we were to drop lower, could we clear all these classes of cells? Yes, sure we could. Is $90 still valid at this point? No. Why? Because we're under the skinny pink line. We were anticipating a squeeze over here, right? And then a breakout would have been amazing, but we broke down instead. So that's it. We'll consider ETC's target to be invalidated. BitTensor Tau against USD is under the skinny pink line. Could we still head lower? Yes, sure, of course. The best thing that could happen for Tau is we muck around here, right? Just muck around here and not do anything too drastic. Maybe we could clear these clusters of cells. But yeah, this would be the best case scenario for Tau before it continues higher, right? In like, I don't know, 2026 maybe. So yeah, that's Tau for you. VeChain VET against BTC. Here we are for VeChain. Nah, not looking good. We formed a new all-time low. Yes, there was a rally, but it is still a lower high. You see this? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. You see, the trend is still very bearish for VeChain against BTC, right? Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. Are we gonna get another lower low? The trend is still bearish, so be careful. VeChain against USD. Yes, we got a higher high here. I mean, large time frames, right? But yeah, there's a strong sell coming on. So I would push caution about VeChain. OKB against USD. Looking at OKX. Anything? You know, OKX actually won Crypto Exchange of the Year by TradingView. I was like, what? Really? Anyway, for OKB, yeah, don't look too good. Again, we could be squeezing here with something like this, but still too early to tell. Alright, boys and girls. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!